Hi viewers, I hope you all are doing fine. So today we will solve the sums related to the topic simplification of algebraic expressions. So this is our first question. So first step to solve this question is first we will take the LCM of all the denominators. So the denominator here is 2, 3, 5. So what is the LCM of these three numbers? So the LCM is 30, right? So we'll put one line here. 30 is our LCM here. So now we will multiply 2 with what? We will get the answer as 30. So 2 how much is 30? 2 15s are, right? So 2 15s and 3 how much are 30? 3 10s is 30. 5 how much are 30? 5 6 is 30. We'll copy the same into 15 up in the numerator. So into 15 here into 10, here into 6. So k into 15 is 15k plus k into 10 is 10k plus 2 into 6 is 12k. Now 15k plus 10k plus 12k is equals to 37k, right? 37k by 30 is our final answer. So this is our second sum. So the first step to solve this question is first we have to find the LCM of the denominator here. So the denominator here is 5, 15 and 13. So the LCM is 15, right? So we'll put here 15. So 5 how much are 15? 5 3's is 15, 15 1's is 15 and 3 how much are 15? 3 5's are 15. We'll copy the same in the numerator into 5, here into 1, here into 3. Now we'll do the multiplication here. 2 into 3. 2 3's are 6. 6b is our answer here. 6b minus 7b into 1 is 7b itself. 7b. 13b into 5 is equals to 65b, right? So we'll put here 65b. Now we'll do the addition over here. See, how will we do the addition here? We'll do in the working column. We'll make a small working column here. See, plus 65 and here if there is no sign you have to assume here as plus, right? So plus 6b plus 65. So 65b plus 6b is equals to 60. See, 65b plus 6b is equals to 71b, right? 71b. Now minus 7b. So minus 7b. 71b minus 7b, you'll get the answer as 64b. So what is the answer we got? So our answer, final answer is 64b by 15 is our final answer. Now this is the third question. This is little complicated but very easy. So first we will solve here. According to the board mass rule, we have to solve the brackets first. So we will solve the brackets here first. How will we solve? We will multiply 5 into x and 5 into 4. So how will we do the multiplication? 5 into x and 5 into 4. So 5 into x is 5x minus, the sign here minus, 5 into 4 is 5 4s are 20, put here 20 by 3 as it is, plus 2 into 5 is 2 5s are 10, 10x minus 2 into 3 is 2 3s are 6 by the denominator is 5, put here 5 plus 6 into x is 6x minus 6 into 4 is 6 4s are 24, 24 by 7. We are done with the first step. Now what is the second step? The second step is we have to find the LCM of the denominator 3, 5 and 7. So the LCM of 3, 5 and 7 is what? 105, right? So the LCM is 105. So 105, we'll put a big line here. 105 will put that in the denominator because LCM 105. 5 is the LCM of these three denominators. So now we'll multiply 3 with what? We'll get the answer as 105. 3 how much are 105? 3 into 35 is 105. 5 how much are 105? 5 into 21. 7 how much is 105? 7 into 15 will get the answer as 105. We'll copy the same in the numerator. Into 35 into 35 here, same, into 21 into 21, into 15 into 15. Now nothing, we have to just multiply. 5 into 35 is 175. X will put here, minus 20 into 35 is how much? 700, plus 10x into 21 is how much? 210x, minus 6 into 21 is how much? 126, plus 6 into 15 is how much? 90x. 90x minus 24 into 15 is how much? 360. Now what will we do? Simple. We have x here, and x here. We will add all the x's because it has plus sign here. 175x plus 210x plus 90x is equals to 475x, right? So we'll get the answer here as 475x. Now, what are the sign here? Minus, minus, minus. We'll put the sign minus here. Now, what all we left? 700 plus 126 plus 360 is how much? 1186, and the denominator will be 105. So this is our final answer. So now we'll do the fourth sum of the simplification of algebraic expression topic. So this is the question here. 6k by 7, and now minus here as it is. So according to the board mass rule, first we'll solve the square bracket here. So this is the square bracket. So to solve the square bracket, first we have to remove the brackets. Then the next step will be we have to take LCM, right? So 8k by 9 minus k by 3. Now we'll take the LCM of this square bracket. So the LCM here will be 9 and 3. So the LCM is 9, right? What is the LCM of 9 and 3? 9 itself. So minus the LCM will be 9. 9 how much are 9? 9 ones are 9. 3 how much are 9? 3 threes are 9. We'll copy the same up into 1 into 3. Simple, right? 8k into 1 is 8k itself. Minus k into 3 is how much? 3k. So 8k minus 3k, you will get the answer as 5k. 5k by 9. We have solved the square bracket. Now let us come here. 6k by 7 minus, what did we get the answer here? 5k by 9. 5k by 9. Now we will take the LCM of 7 and 9. So what is the LCM of 7 and 9? So the LCM is 63. 63. 7 how much are 63? 7 nines are 63. And 9 how much are 63? 9 sevens are 63. We'll copy the same in the up. Into 9, here into 7. 6 into 9. 6k into 9 is 54k. Minus 5k into 7 is equals to 35k. We got here. Now 54 minus 35 will get the answer as 19k. So our answer is 19k by 63 is our final answer. Now we'll solve the last sum of this topic, algebraic expressions. So the question here is this: 2p plus p by 7, right? See, there is nothing here in the denominator, but here we got the denominator. Here there is nothing, here it is there. So nothing, there is no denominator, you will make a denominator. How? You'll write here 1, that's it. Here also there is no denominator, 1. So how will we write here? 2p by, if there is no denominator, 1 plus p by 7 divided by 9p by 10 plus 4p by, there is nothing here, you'll assume here as 1. Now we'll solve one by one this sum. See, this is one portion and this is one portion, right? So first, what is the LCM of 1 and 7? The LCM is 7 itself. we'll put here 7. 1, how much is 7? 1 into 7 is 7. 7 into 1 is 7. So we'll copy the same upwards. P into 1, 2p into 7. So 2 sevens are 14. So 14p plus p into 1 is 1p. We got the answer here. What is the sign here? Division sign, right? Division sign here. Now 10 and 1. What is the LCM of 10 and 1? 10 itself, right? So put here 10. 10, how much are 10? 10 ones are 10. 1 into 10 is 10. So we'll copy the same upwards. 9 into 1 into 10. 9p into 1 is 9p plus 4p into 10 is 40. 40p. Now see here. This is 9p. 14p plus 1p is equals to, we'll get the answer as 15p, right? 15p divided by 7. Here the sign is division here. 9p plus 40p is equals to 49p by 10. See here, this is division sign. You will change the sign into multiplication sign, but you will not change as it is, right? You have to do reciprocal here. So 15p will write as it is, 15p by 7. We have to change the sign. It will become division, will become multiplication. Now 49p we will do reciprocal here. So 49p will come in the denominator and 10 will come in the numerator. So 10 by 49p. So simple. 15p into 10p is 150p. 7p into 7 into 49 is 343p. We'll cancel both the p's. So our answer is 150 by 343 is our final answer. So here we'll wind up our class of simplification of algebraic expressions. I hope you found it useful. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.